In this demonstration, we will show how you can open an observation in LTImage, scale the observation to make it look the way you want, and finally save that image in a format you can print or email to someone. When you first load an image into LTImage, you will often notice only a few very bright spots can be seen. These bright spots usually correspond to where stars are in the image. Stars are much brighter than nearly any other feature in images, and so they easily stand out. Images that you see in books and on the internet are usually processed images that show more detail than you would see in the original version of the image. LTImage can process images in the same way. We call this process scaling. If you go to Display and Scaling, you will see that a set of controls appear on the right-hand side of your image. The controls will change the way your image is displayed on the screen. The maximum control will change how bright the brightest parts of the image will be, while the minimum control will change how dark the darkest parts of the image are. We mainly want to make our bright areas brighter, so we will focus on using only the maximum control. As the slider is moved down the scale, you will notice the Display Scaling Preview image will change to show you what your image will look like. If you click Use New Values, the setting is then applied to the main image so you can see what the result looks like. Making these changes does not actually change the scientific data in the image, so it is just a case of adjusting your image to suit how you feel it should look. You can also use the Normal, More Detail, and Less Detail buttons to make large adjustments to the brightness. However, for this image, the normal setting looks fine. Once you are happy with how the image looks, you can save it as a picture so that you can view it in other computer programs, print it, or send it by email to someone. To save your image, go to File, Save Picture, enter a name for your image, and then finally click Save.